Hey guys, so here we are, Grand Tetons. We're gonna be here for 5 nights.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna boondock. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna do some hiking. We're gonna do some swimming.
Swim in the lakes, explore.
We're gonna wrestle our boys.
And hopefully we'll see a bear.
Yeah, in a
in a while.
from a distance.
Yes.
We have bear spray, so
yes.
it should be fun. We're excited, so check it out, guys. It's gonna be cool.
I walk this world with broken toes from my missteps and tortured souls. I learned my way, breaking every bone. Now I see all these aches and make you grow. And every fall has a rise, every burn has a flame. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. Now I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane. Now I'm made with what remains. A thick skin, knowing it's just growing pain.
Grand Tetons.
Hey guys.
We are at Grand Tetons National Park and we've been here for 5 days. It's been such a great time.
It's been epic.
We did so much, and there's so much to do with kids too. So we wanted to highlight the 5 things that we liked the most.
Number 1!
Number 1, it's probably our favorite thing, was Coulter Bay.
Coulter Bay.
Coulter Bay,
Beautiful.
Yes. Beautiful beach.
Beautiful view.
Beautiful view.
Clean water.
Crystal clear water.
Not extremely packed.
Number 2, Hidden Falls Trail.
Hidden Falls Trail.
Yes.
It's over by Jenny Lake.
Yes.
And it is, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either take the boat, which is one way or round trip, or you can hike it.
Yeah, we hiked it.
We hiked it with the boys. Number 3!
Number 3, I would say String Lake and Leah. I think it's pronounced Leah or Lay.
Well, now we got a problem.
String Lake Trail.
String Lake Trail.
There's different ways you can go. You can go around the String Lake, or you can go along and then it connects to a different lake trail.
No drastic elevation changes.
No, it's a really,
the terrain's very simple.
It's a very easy hike. It's like family-friendly hike.
Number 4.
Number 4, the Cunningham Cabin.
Cunningham Cabin. That's
that
a
was
must-see.
cool.
It's
a really short hike. It's more of a
historic
walk in a historic place.
Yeah. Yeah. The height, it's not really a hike at all.
It's just a walk.
You go to the parking lot and then you're there.
Right. But you can walk down to like the fence, and a lot of times you'll see horses there, lots of horses. You can pet them, and it's just really cool for the kids.
Number 5.
Number 5, so the last place we would recommend to check out is the Mormon Row. It's a historic site, and it's got really cool buildings of like, people who used to live here.
Yeah,
the old timers.
And of course the views are just incredible.
And the views of the mountains, yes. So those are the 5 favorite things that we really loved about Tetons. But I would definitely suggest just drive around. Jenny Lake is amazing. Coulter Bay, and the whole drive around the park, it'll probably take you like, hour and a half or 2 hours to complete the whole loop.
It's about 25 miles.
And it's just breathtaking. Everywhere you look is beauty. Let us know if you went to Tetons. Let us know what was your favorite thing.
Drop a comment down in the below and just let us know what's going on.
I cut my teeth till I taste the way my empty mouth finds the words to say. All the things I found being chipped away, and all the ways I built from how I pray. And every laugh has a cry, every loss has a gain. From foolish
Jack, did you go in the water?
All bruised the same. Growing pains when the storm wind blows.
Pancakes? Cucumber pancakes?
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We really appreciate all your support and your likes and your comments. If you haven't subscribed to us yet, make sure you subscribe, and if you want more of our adventures, go on Instagram and follow us.
This Adventure Family.
This Adventure Family on Instagram. We share our daily life there.
A little more behind the scenes kind of stuff.
Yeah. We hope you come to Grand Tetons National Park. It's absolutely amazing here.
We really enjoyed it.
Yes.
We spent 5 nights here, and
it's been incredible.
It's been really special.
Incredible.
It's a special place. So if you guys get a chance to check it out, I hope you guys enjoyed our video, and I hope we actually inspired you guys to come and check it out and go on some wild adventures.
Yeah.